Hello everyone, this video will be the continuation of the previous video that I have uploaded about coordinate geometry. So in this video we will be solving some problems from exercises which is given in your textbook. The first exercise 3.1. You have to find the position of a lamp which is placed on a table. Now if you consider this table as a plane, a two-dimensional plane, and the lamp which is kept on the table as a point, we can determine the position of this lamp if we know the two coordinates which are x and y. So considering the two edges of the table, these are the two edges, as the x-axis and the y-axis, the distance of the lamp from the x-axis is 2 feet and the distance of the lamp from the y-axis is 1 feet. So the coordinate of this lamp will be 2 and 1. We have to write the coordinate of the x first and then followed by the coordinate of the y-axis. So these are the two axes, the x-axis and the y-axis. With respect to that, the lamp is 2 feet away from the x-axis and 1 feet away from the y-axis. So the coordinate of the lamp is 2, 1. In question number 2, we have two streets which is running in the north-south direction and east-west direction. So these are the two streets. Inside that streets we have small another 5 streets which are running in that direction. As you can see in the figure, street 1, street 2, street 3 and street 4, street 5. In the north-south direction, 5 streets are running. And in the east-west direction we have another 5 streets. These are the 5 streets. In this entire question you have to keep in mind one thing. This part, if second street running in the north-south direction and 5 in the east-west direction meet at some crossing, then we call this crossing street. We call this crossing street 2 and 5. Using this condition, so we have to use this hint which is given to find the answers of these two. Now if you look at the diagram, the second street which is running in north-south direction, the second street, this street, and the street number 5 which is running in east-west direction, this street, they are meeting at some point. Second street and street number 5, they are meeting at one point which is 2 and 5. And this point will be called as the cross street. This point will be termed as the cross street. Now, if you look at the first question, 4 and 3, how many cross streets can be referred to as 4, 3? So you have to find out at how many points does these two streets intersect. Now, if you take street number 4 running in north-south direction, street number 4, this street, and if you take street number 3 which is running in east-west direction, this street, so they meet at only one point which is 4 and 3. So it will have only one cross street. So only one cross street can be referred to as 4, 3. Now if you take the other street which is 3 and 4. Now street number 3 in the north-south direction and street number 4 in the east-west direction, they also meet at one point which is 3 and 4. So it will have only one cross street. So there will be only one cross street for 3 and 4. So in both the cases there will be only one cross street cross. So cross street. There will be only one cross street for both the equations since they are meeting at only one point. If they meet at more than 2 points, it will have many points, but since they are meeting at only one point, so it will have only one cross street.